Today it was raining, but despite that I went to the forest anyway, because it's just recharging regardless. Look at that. I always loved the moss. And this is some dead piece of wood, and despite that there is something growing on it. When it is raining, then this is the best time to collect rocks, because you see the patterns so well. And these purple flowers, they were everywhere now. See? Everywhere. So cute. And then I found those very beautiful pieces of wood. This one looks like the pattern of a giraffe, actually. Fascinating. And this one, you could see all the wood worms or whatever was crawling on it, and the patterns they left. It's fascinating. Look at that rock. And this one had this natural spiral. So special. So this is today's rock collection. And I had a nice mud bath as well. Just having these little adventures in nature. You are out there, present, and just observing